Building a pig house, or piggery, is an essential consideration for anyone looking to raise pigs, whether for commercial purposes or personal enjoyment. The cost of constructing such a facility can vary widely based on numerous factors, including size, materials, design, location, and local building regulations. Understanding these elements can help potential pig farmers budget effectively and create a suitable environment for their animals. To begin with, the size of the pig house is one of the most significant factors influencing cost. The number of pigs you plan to raise will dictate the square footage required. A general rule of thumb is to allocate about 8 to 10 square feet per pig for growing pigs, and about 12 to 15 square feet for breeding sows. Therefore, if you plan to house 10 pigs, you might need a space of at least 80 to 100 square feet, which will serve as the minimum requirement. However, if you envision expanding your operation in the future, it might be wise to build larger from the outset, even if it means a higher initial investment. Next, the materials chosen for construction will significantly impact the overall cost. Traditional pig houses are often built using wood, metal, or concrete. Wooden structures can be aesthetically pleasing and provide good insulation, but may require more maintenance over time and are susceptible to pests. Metal buildings, on the other hand, are durable and often easier to clean, but they can be more expensive up front. Concrete offers excellent durability and is easy to maintain, but the initial costs can be high. Additionally, the design of the pig house can also affect costs. A simple, rectangular building with a sloped roof may be less expensive to construct than a more complex design that includes separate pens, feeding areas, and ventilation systems. Basic designs may only require a few walls and a roof, while more sophisticated setups may involve intricate layouts to accommodate different stages of pig growth or breeding practices. It is essential to consider the specific needs of the pigs and the operational goals of the farm when deciding on a design. Location plays a pivotal role in determining construction costs as well. In some regions, labor and material costs can be significantly higher due to demand or local economic conditions. For example, constructing a pig house in a rural area may be less expensive than in an urban setting where labor costs are higher. Furthermore, local building codes and zoning regulations can influence what materials can be used and how structures must be built, potentially adding to the overall expenses. Another critical aspect to consider is the infrastructure surrounding the pig house. Proper drainage, access to clean water, and waste management systems are vital for maintaining a healthy environment for pigs. Depending on the existing conditions of the land, additional costs may arise from grading the land, installing drainage systems, or creating access roads. These infrastructural elements are often overlooked in initial budgeting, but can add significant costs if not planned for from the beginning. Ventilation and heating systems are also essential components of a pig house. Pigs are sensitive to temperature fluctuations, and maintaining a stable environment is crucial for their health and growth. Depending on the climate, you may need to invest in proper ventilation systems to ensure adequate airflow and prevent heat stress during the summer months. In colder climates, heating systems may be necessary to keep pigs warm during winter. The cost associated with these systems can vary widely, so it is essential to factor them into your overall budget. Another consideration is the cost of permits and inspections. Before construction can begin, you may need to secure various permits, which can involve fees and time. Local agricultural departments or zoning boards may require inspections to ensure that your pig house meets health and safety standards. These costs can add up, especially if modifications are needed to comply with regulations. When budgeting for a pig house, it is also wise to consider ongoing operational costs. Feed, bedding, veterinary care, and utilities will all contribute to the overall expenses of raising pigs. While these costs are not part of the initial construction budget, they are crucial for the long-term sustainability of your pig farming operation. In summary, the cost of building a pig house is influenced by numerous factors, including size, materials, design, location, and additional infrastructure needs. A basic structure may cost a few $1,000s, while a more elaborate facility, with all the necessary systems and conveniences, can run into the tens of thousands. It is essential to conduct thorough research and planning before embarking on such a project. By carefully considering all aspects of construction and ongoing care, potential pig farmers can create a functional and comfortable environment for their animals while also managing their budgets effectively. Ultimately, investing in a well-constructed pig house is not just about the initial expenditure. It is about setting the foundation for a successful and sustainable pig farming venture. A well-designed facility will not only support the health and growth of the pigs, but will also contribute to the overall efficiency and productivity of the farming operation. Therefore, taking the time to plan and budget appropriately can pay dividends in the long run, ensuring that both the pigs and the farmer thrive together.